Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Trendy Eve and today's video is going to be about how to make a mask at home using a scarf method. The reason why I'm making this small video is because I've seen a few other videos that are quite disturbing of how masks are made. So if you can do this in the comfort of your own home, that would be great. So I just want to share with you the couple of videos that I've seen that have disturbed me. Right guys, so the first method that I'm going to be using is this scarf, and basically I'm just holding it up, just bring it to my mouth area, just wrapping one side over, wrapping the other side over, pulling it, and I can easily just run out and go to the shop just like this. So this is method number one. Now with method one, as I just showed you, it might be a good idea, but with the weather warming up also, you might just feel a little bit hot. So let's try method number two. So here I have another scarf which is a little bit too long. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut it in half. Guys, I know I'm cutting my scarf here, but it's all for a good cause, so I really don't mind. And I just need roughly about this amount. I'll put the measurements up on the screen. So before we start actually making it, I've got these two elastic bands which I use for my hair. And they both are stretchy, and this is what I'm going to use as to go around my ears. So here, now that I've cut it to the measurements that I want it now, I'm just going to put an elastic band over here, and I'm going to put an elastic band on this side, so it should look like this. Then I'm going to fold it to the elastic and poke it in both sides like this. And I'm going to use this to just clip over my ears. So now that I've made that, I just put one over this ears, put the other over this ears, and just start adjusting it to suit, and there you go. And also what I like about this method, there's no sewing involved, there's no gluing, it's just you using your elastics and your scarf. Right guys, so here's a dishcloth, something that I would use to dry my dishes, but that's can use as well. Just fold one side and fold the other side, like that. Put your elastics on again. And this is just in case you haven't got a scarf. You definitely will have a cloth. Put the elastics on both sides. Fold it once again. Tuck it in on itself. Pull your elastics. And then I will do the same thing again, putting it on like this, fixing it according to how you see fit, and there's your mask. Guys, thank you so much for watching, I really appreciate it. Please like, share and subscribe. Also, I'd like to give a big thanks to Queen Bee who subscribed to my channel. Guys, if you want to see more videos like this, please let me know in the comments down below. Other than that, stay safe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!